morning, gals and gents. Welcome to my loc wash day. Today I'm washing my locks, and as you can see, my locks are extremely dirty. My dandruff is starting to come through. However, my twister was nice and fresh. Hey. But we gotta get rid of this dandruff and the dirt that's in my hair. So to get this wash day started, I'm just putting my locks under the shower. And please excuse my shower as my water was just low to say, I don't know, but we still got the job done. So now we're gonna go in with the Nature Remedies shampoo, and we're gonna start by shampooing our hair. And I just massage this in the front of my hair because the front of my hair is the most troublesome area. I normally just start from the front to the back. So as you can see, I'm scratching. Oh man, look how good I feel. Look, all the facial expression and all, man. Now that our front of our hair is nice and scrubbed, we're going to add some more shampoo, and then we're going to massage that in our locks. Now we're going to start massaging that shampoo in our scalp, and we want to get deep down in our scalp. As you can see, this feels so good right now. Listen, if y'all could understand what I'm feeling right now, y'all be like, wow. This is so therapeutic for me. And as you can see, I always bring the shampoo down into my loc, because your locks do carry scent and you want those locks to be clean as well as your roots. So now as you can see, we're going in again. I'm showing you that method again. You got to take your time. Take your time and scrub that hair, gal. So I'm just massaging that in my scalp. Nice and good. And I'll let you watch me do all over. Alright. So now it's scrub time. We just massaged the scalp. So now we're going to go back in and we're going to scrub. Now, this you have to keep repeating. You have to scrub and then massage and then scrub and then massage. So as you can see, I'm going in sections. I just part my hair on the side. Then I go to the middle, and then I go to the next side, and I just scrub, because you want to get all through your hair. You want that product and that dirt to come with your hair. So please just take your time with your locks. Enjoy the process, because it's very therapeutic. And when you're washing your locks, always remember massage, scrub. When you're doing this method, you're getting your locks and your roots nice and clean, as well as that nice feeling on your scalp. Trust me, wash day for you will be so different. Alright, now time to wash this product out of our hair. So now we're going to put our locks under that water, and we're going to wash this product out of our hair. Now you want to wash all the shampoo out until this water comes clear. If you see that water ain't coming clear, go back under there, wash that out, go back, because you don't want no build-up. Trust me, I've dealt with build-up. Build-up is something you do not want to deal with. So just continue to wash it until everything comes nice and clear, and you can see the full beauty of your locks. Okay, and now you can see our locks are nice and clean, and I'm very much happy. So guess what time it is? Time to moisturize. So now for oil, we're going to use the Nature Remedies Tea Tree Rosemary Hair Growth Oil, and we're going to basically do a semi-hot oil treatment in the shower. So we're going to part our hair in sections. You guys know I like my little 4 sections, but today we're going to do 3. So I'm just going to put them rubber bands, one on one side, one on the next, just to get this oil thoroughly in my hair. Now we're going to start putting that oil in our hair. So we're just going to moisturize our locks. So we're going to put it, adding it in the back first, and then we're going to make our way up to the front. So as I'm putting it in row through row, I'm just massaging that in my scalp, but most cases leaving that there. I just love the feeling of oil going through my locks. It just feels so therapeutic. Now for the semi-hot oil treatment, as you can see, the water is running, so it's very nice and hot, which is creating some nice steam for me to do this hot oil treatment. For the front of our locks, we go through the same process, row through row, and then massage our scalp. And now time for the grand finale. This is the part that feels so amazing. We're gonna take all that oil and we're gonna rub that through all over. Oh my god, I know this feels so good right now. Now that our hair is nice and moisturized, as you can see, look how luscious those locks look. Oh my god. We're gonna go in with a t-shirt. And the reason we're using this t-shirt is because towel carry length. And we don't want no length and we don't want no buildup. So we're gonna use this t-shirt today and we're gonna soak our locks in the steam in the bathroom and we're just gonna enjoy the time. And that completes the end of our Locs wash day. Thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.